time till I can try again. I guess I'm optimistic, little bit persistent, justifying all the distance you've been given. Call me a fool.
I ate surmai and bumbil. That was really filling. Like, I don't know how to describe it. It's super good. There's a tangy flavor whenever you add some lemon onto the bumbil, and the crust on the surmai is always super good. And even though I've not been here too many times, it's still really, really, really good.
Me.